Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 438 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I have the Cover FX Shimmer Veil to try out, and I have this in the shade Moonstone. And oh my gosh, this has been a product that I have been waiting to try out for so long. I'd been meaning to try it out for honestly months, ever since I got this in my FabFitFun box for spring. But I just had so many more makeup products that I've purchased since then, and I just kind of forgot about it. But then today when I went to grab it, I was so excited and kind of mad at myself for waiting so long to actually film a video on it. But so this product says a pearlescent cream perfect for eyelids but can be used anywhere you want a veil of shimmer. This unparalleled buildable formula feels weightless, lasts all day, and won't crease or transfer. And so normally this retails for $28 and it comes in 10 different shades, so many beautiful shades. So here is what Moonstone looks like. Let me go ahead and swatch it. Oh, and also this is cruelty free. This shade is so beautiful. Look at that sheen, so metallic. It's almost like a mauve brown shade. I feel like I can't quite pinpoint what this shade is because it kind of looks rose gold, but then it also kind of looks copper the way the light hits it, which is really cool. And it has such gorgeous full pigment. So I do want to try this out in a few different places and in a few different methods. But so first I want to apply it to the eyelid, but I want to apply just a little bit and see how it looks sheared out, because I can see here you can get full pigment, but can you get just a sheer shimmery look? So I'm just going to apply a little bit with that doe foot applicator, which is really nice. And now I'm going to blend it out with my finger. Oh my gosh. This has such amazing pigment that I just applied a tiny bit and it's actually blending out to full pigment. So if I wanted to just have a shimmery look, I would have to use even less than that. Oh my goodness. So that was actually like the perfect amount to get the full eyelid covered in a beautiful, fully pigmented shade. And I actually really like the application of blending it out with my finger, because then I can kind of work it up into the crease and it's drying down pretty quickly as I'm applying it. Oh my gosh, that looks amazing. And I love this shade. I feel like this wouldn't have been a shade that I would have chosen on my own if I was buying this product. It was just given to me as a mystery gift in my FabFitFun box, which if you want to see my spring FabFitFun unboxing where I got this product, I will link that video down below. I also will have in my description box a coupon code for $10 off if you want to subscribe to FabFitFun. I love FabFitFun. I am so happy I do the subscription for it now, so I highly recommend. But anyways, I just feel like this looks like so sparkly, but it also adds like a beautiful touch of color to my look, but it's a shade that would go with anything. So I feel like this is perfect for getting like a glamorous, going out, glittery eye. Now I'm gonna try and go in with the tiniest bit on my other eye to see if I actually can get like a sheer sparkly eye, which could look a little bit more daytime wearable. Let's see. Okay, yeah, this seems to be working. But you have to work very quickly at blending it out because it does dry down a lot faster than I would have expected. But yeah, I think that doing the tiniest little bit, I mean, I was still able to cover my entire eyelid. Like seriously, the tiniest bit of this product goes such a long way. You really do get your money's worth. But yes, I feel like I was able to create a sheared out look, but it just still looks so glittery with that silver sparkle. So it looks so good. So I love that it's buildable. Oh my gosh. I don't even know which look I like better. I love how it looks both ways. Let me do a zoomed in view so you can see. This is the tiniest bit of product so that I got more of a sheer look. This eye has it built up. It seriously looks so good. It feels so comfortable on my eyes. I was a little bit worried that I would feel that glitter texture, but I don't at all. Okay, it says it's transfer resistant. I'm still getting a little bit of shimmer coming off on my finger when I touch it, but it's still totally intact and I'm fine with a little sparkle coming off. It's like so much more sparkly than I was expecting. It's definitely more sparkly than metallic, which I am totally happy with. And then for fun, I want to try applying it to my lips a little bit. Right now, I just have on some lip balm, but if I wanted to, let's see. Ooh, I feel like you could actually really build this up to be like a full pigment lip shade, but I just want to add a little touch. Oh my gosh. This actually transforms into an amazing metallic lip shade. And this color actually kind of works on the lips too. Putting it on top of my lip balm worked out so perfectly. Oh my gosh, look at that. It looks so good. It looks so even. It seriously looks like an amazing metallic lipstick that I just applied. I am loving how this looks. Let's see. There's not even any transfer. What? Oh my gosh, I am so glad I just tried that out. And that's not something I would have normally thought to do, but when I read about it, it said it could work on the lips. So I'm like, well, I'll just try adding a little shimmer to my lips. But oh my gosh, I did. I just added a little bit, but it gave me full, gorgeous, basically liquid lipstick that is going to last and not transfer. This is seriously amazing, so versatile. I love how it looks. Like my makeup look right now looks like a glamorous, gorgeous, kind of high-end makeup look that I just threw on using this one product. I knew that I loved Cover FX products, but this one, oh my gosh, I should have known that I was going to be obsessed with this, but I am always being blown away by Cover FX. I just need to try out even more from them. So, oh my gosh, this is definitely one of my favorite products that I've tried, but I would love to know in the comments down below what some of your favorite Cover FX products are, and I definitely want to try those out in future videos. I seriously can't stop looking at this look in the mirror. It's beautiful. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.